I'm Wongster 1970, and today I'm going to be installing this trunk on my 2007 Vstar 1300 Tour. Let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is remove the front seat, and to do that I need the key. I can turn that and lift that off. Yes, 10mm. So I'll lift up and out of the way. There are 4 bolts, 2 here, 2 here. I think they are a 12mm. May not be able to get in here with a ratchet. Yeah, I don't want to risk scratching the paint up. Put the bolts back in here in case they're needed later. I'm going to put the rear seat back on. I'll reinstall the front seat. That should just slide in here. Now, see about setting the trunk on there. Okay, I'm gonna have to go and support the bike so it's sitting straight up more. I might have to put the plate back in the trunk and sit it on there so I have a better idea of what it's going to look like. See what it looks like. I have the bike straight up and down. Less chance of it rolling off. That might be about right. Okay, according to my calculations, these holes are 8 1/4 apart. So we got one here, we got one here, 8 1/4 inches here and here. They're 8 inches apart on the top and 8 1/2 on the bottom. And it's approximately an inch from the rear. So that is even there. And then get those two. So I think they're 1/4 inch. Maybe I'll draw them a little bit bigger. So I'll get to drawing and I'll be back. I'm going to center punch these. I'm drilling this a 1/4 inch. So according to my calculations, I should be an inch in on both sides. In the front and the back, squared inside, squared here, inch in on both ends, approximately. Okay. Gonna make her 5/16. There we go. Wipe that off. think what I'm going to do take that plate out again and see how far off I am. Well, I had to elongate the hole a little bit back here to be able to get this to fit, but I think I have it now. So I'm going to put this back in the case and try to get it lined up. I got 5 washers in between here, which I actually should get some more. Well, I decided to scrap the spacer idea for the bottom, and I'm going to be using these planks from the decking project. These are composite plastic and they're solid, so I'm just going to go and set the trunk back up on top of here and mark the holes and then drill them through and then mount it back onto the rack. Well, I drilled 3 holes in here, measured out, put this up against there, got this centered here, this hole, and then got a rough estimate of where these 2 were supposed to be drilled, and I got them put in place. So with any luck, this will hook right up on there. So there the backrest is sitting on there. I'll show you what it looks like on the back side once I get the bolts on. Okay, I have the backrest on. This is a backrest off of a 2019 Harley Street Glide. It is a heated seat, but the heat doesn't work. At least that's what I was told. I haven't tried it out. And I've got the Viking tour pack installed. See, I drilled the 3 holes there and I got the nuts on it. Came out pretty good. All I've got to do is paint these boards down here. I'll have to take this back off and paint them up so you don't see that. But other than that, everything seems to be pretty good. So that should do it. Well, that'll do it for installing the Viking Bags Tour Pack with the Harley-Davidson backrest on my 2007 Yamaha Vstar 1300. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and stay safe. Thanks for watching.